So we've got 5 types of tomatoes to taste. Let's see. This is pretty neat. It's a small one compared to all the other ones on the vine. But this one's called Garden Peach. And it's like pinkish red it started out yellow. And it's a little bit fuzzy. So it's definitely like a peach. I've heard a lot of good about these. Naranja means orange. Orange cherry tomatoes. I have a few of these. Golden Sunrise. You see a little bit of streaking on the top. This is Black Dragon, but I don't really... I see some streaking, but not really any black. Maybe if it was in the sun more. Not sure. And Artisan Green Tiger. You see some green streaking here as well. Okay, so today we bring you yet again 5 more types of tomatoes for us to taste. Right? So we should start with what then? What do you think? Maybe Golden Sunrise? Nice golden, oh, juicy, whoops. Juicy golden tomato, Golden Sunrise. Oh my god, that's good.
Yeah.
Like you taste it immediately, it's so good. I said it when my mouth was still full of it. That is
juicy.
Good. Mmm.
Is it citrusy, like sweet?
Yeah.
Tomato.
A little bit of sour bite to it, but just enough to make it really tangy.
We keep
Boy.
these two.
Boy, that was super good. I'm gonna take another piece because that was well worth it.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that. I haven't tasted one that tasted quite like that.
A lot of flavor in this one.
Very bold flavor. Do we take Naranja next?
Yeah. We keep 2 halves.
So, you know, just an orange cherry tomato. And pretty good too. It's not as sweet as some of the other ones. But super yummy. Like, it is a little more mild taste.
Yeah, this is mild, this one.
But definitely really good, and it was a very good producer too. Produced nice bundles. I guess we could take Black Dragon next.
I'll take this end.
I guess. This, I don't know if it just didn't have time to get any dark streaks on it, but this is Black Dragon and it does have streaks. But I'm just seeing mainly pinkish red and like yellow, kind of. Let's see. Very buttery.
Yeah.
Now it might taste a little bit like it's got black involved in it. A little.
Yeah.
That herb kind of earthy flavor, just a little.
It all melts. If you like tomatoes that are like pasty, like melty,
Yeah. It's a
this
little
one's really
little bit melon-like and earthy. Mild. No, not super mild.
no.
But it's not like a super red tomato flavor either.
Mm. This one is extreme, like soft,
Mm-hmm.
buttery.
Yeah.
Let's see, seed. Mm.
Then we've got garden peach. The little fuzzy tomato that's like, it starts out yellow and then it blushes with some dark pink. Mm.
Mm.
Not a whole lot of flavor to it.
No. It was also
Really small.
soft,
Yeah. Yeah.
just like the other one, where it melts.
Mm-hmm. But it's very
Less-
mild.
less flavor.
Mm-hmm. Okay, last but not least, Artisan Green Tiger. Striped tomato. Green striped tomato. Okay. It's probably still kind of... We probably took them too soon, but it's a little bit tricky with green ones. I'll be honest.
Yeah.
And they're kind of their own breed, you know? Because it's like you take them too late and then they're no good anymore. You take them too early and they're crunchy like this. But
Like now they're sour,
yeah,
but they probably weren't pretty.
almost a little bit of a green bell pepper taste to it. Maybe that's why their green tomatoes are so good, like battered and fried. It matches really well to do that.
Don't eat this one.
Uh-huh. This other one had a little bit of a green grape taste. I imagine if it had ripened up a little more, it would be more so.
Mm.
But yeah, it was a nice little snack. So, glad you could join us again while we stuff our faces with tomatoes. See you later.